Hey, hello guys. Today is our day 10 of a finding job series. So let me tell you how my day today. So yeah, I waked up at 7:30 because today is a Saturday. That's why I skip exercise today. I just doing Monday to Friday and a little bit on Sunday. So yeah, exercise was skipped. After that, I just do some regular tasks and get ready and sit on my desk. So let me tell you what I learned today. So I learned one concept, one question, which is bothering me, that why dependency arrays lies. So let me tell you why it happened. So we think that a dependency array maybe track variables. Let's take an example. If I am writing a use effect and in use effect I didn't means in I use effect in dependency array I didn't pass anything, okay, or I didn't pass that dependency array. It means that it should be rendered. It doesn't means when we pass the dependency array empty, that means it doesn't need to re-render, but it's renders. Let me tell you why. Because use effect compare the value of means what I pass in that dependency array, it should be compared with before renders. Means what happened before render. If after render value change, then we need to run that side effect, correct? So but at initially there is a not we didn't have any previous render, so where it can check. And we pass the empty dependency array, that doesn't mean, that mean we didn't need to render our use effect. But for checking the previous value, it should be the renderized at least once. That's why when initial render happens, our use effect runs once. Okay, that is the case. And let me tell you, when we pass the variables, it work as expected. But when we pass a object or any functions in it, it may behavior little weird. Because we know that when we pass the object or function, after render their reference is changed. And when reference change, use effect think that the object or function maybe get changed and we need to re-render it again. So yeah, that is the case with the object and function. I tell you how to avoid that using useMemo and useCallback. Let me tell you another concept. When I create a use effect and in it I pass the set interval, okay, and in set interval I console.log, let's take a count. I console.log count, and after 1 second that interval run again and again. And in dependency array I didn't put anything, but due to the initial render we know that use effect run once, and that set interval runs after each second, and it's print 0. When the set count means the count value may be changed, while doing that the count value may be changed. The means beside that use effect, in UI we get count like 4 5 anything, but still in set interval that console.log prints the value 0. Let me tell you why. So in 1 second they're printing 0 0 0, maybe still in UI that count value is 1 2 3 anything, but in set interval it printed 0. So it's happened due to the closures. When the first time use effect runs, and in dependency array it know that we have to run only once, and we didn't pass anything in dependency array, that means we didn't need to run it again. So it's remember the value from the closure. So at first their value is 0, so it printed 0 again and again, again and again. Still we can pass the count in dependency array. So yeah, that is the issue. And we think that use effect means observe variables. This doesn't observe variables, it just check closure value, the before closure value and after closure value if it needed. So yeah, so that's why people say that a dependency array is a lie, but it is not the case. And after that, let me tell you, I shifted to the DSA part, and today DSA I learn about the linked list. I know the basic concept of linked list, but I didn't code in it. Yeah, actually, that is the correct word. But yeah, so let me tell you what is the linked list. So basically, we know the array for storing a similar type of a data structure or similar things. We use array like a 1 2 3 or fruits, apple, banana, like that. But in linked list we are also use that for a data storing. It is a data structure type, but the structure of linked list is a different from array. In linked list we pair one means we store one thing in a it take a two memory place. So in array if I store apple, so it takes only one place for apple, but in linked list it takes two places. So let me tell you. So one is value and another is reference to the another node. So in linked list we have one node. So node have two things. Okay, we have node, and node have two things. First one is a value, second one is a reference to the another node, and that another node connected to the through the reference, then that another node have a value and a reference to the another node, then it form a list. So we means it's linked together and forming a list. That's why we said it at a linked list. So yeah, the first node we call as a head, and last node which we called as a tail. So how we can we know the which is the first node, but how we can means get the which is the last node. So last node always that reference pointed to the null. So yeah, I learn about that. And also we have the two types of a linked list. Let me tell you, we have single linked list and double linked list. In single linked list we have only one reference pointed to the next, but in double linked list we have the two reference, which one point to the front side or another one is the back side. Yeah, so let me tell you why it's necessary or why we are using. Actually we are using most of the time array, but linked list is sometimes it's pretty handy, pretty useful as well. So let me tell you what is its demerits. Because we know that array take only one memory space, it takes two or three means two memory place. And while searching an array, if I just want to add of one, so I get second value in array. uh, but here it's very difficult. So yeah, there are some things, but some things in linked list which very easy. So I can able to get head value or get tail, I'm able to remove it. That's type of problems, or that type of I think that type of question we can solve it in linked list. And it's very useful for a data storing which has a link type system. Yeah, we say we can get that clear idea while solving the problems. So yeah, but that's it about linked list. I learned it uh, that. And after that I move to the my project part. So I work on after me project, and I build their landing page. I'm not sure about which is the functionality or what the things I want to build ahead, but that's why I'm not talking a lot more about the my project. But yeah, tomorrow is Sunday. I will figure out lots of things, and I will tell you how our project gonna be within a month, how which part I want to complete. And yeah, after 3 months we want to deploy it. It is a big project or big product for me. So yeah, that is it. So and after that, the little communication drill with the chat gpt, I speak with it, I record myself, I started to think in English as well. It is very difficult task, but we have to do it, guys. And one thing, let me tell you, if you want to learn English, then while learning means while seeing anything, any video on YouTube or any movie or anything, just try to pause this and repeat with them, or try, yeah, just like that. Repeat it. Anything in saying that English, just repeat that sentence. That because of that I think the fluency or how we can talk means the flow of that sentence you register in your mind, and it will help. I am doing this for 4 to 5 days, and I am able to see some changes. So yeah, I think you guys also need to try this. And yeah, that's it for today. Today is Saturday. Let's enjoy. And tomorrow is Sunday, and it is a reset day. Let's explore Pune. Okay, bye.